packed up. Now it's time to go to hitchhike off to Gilgit-Baltistan. We're now just dropped before the Shandur Pass. Let's see if we find some traffic. After 3 hours of wait, we finally found a car. Now we're having a grab stop. We're just crossing the Shandur Pass, 3,700 meters. And then Hindukush is over. Here lies the highest polo ground in the world at 3,700 meters. Once every year Gilgit plays against Chitral. It's always with casualties, very dangerous. And just like that we were in Gilgit-Baltistan, a region known for its tall and beautiful mountains. We continued driving for 2 hours, and just before sunset we were dropped. We now arrive in Gulag, and these people invited us to pitch a tent in the place. See you tomorrow.